satisfied. Tell me that you want that kind of thing the money just can't buy. 'Cause I don't care too much for money. Money can't buy me love, can't buy me love. Love, can't buy me love. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
All right, everybody. This next one we're going to do will be the last one for us for tonight. We want to remind you, we're back tomorrow, 3 p.m., 4:30, 6, 7, and 8. Please come back and see us. But before we go, we're going to need your help. We're going to ask everybody, first of all, everybody sitting down, please stand on your feet. Won't you? Come on, everybody. That's it, up in the back as well. Yeah, in the middle. There you go.
Careful.
And while you're standing up, we need everybody to come on up to the front of the stage. Come on up, everybody. And we'll have like a real rock show. Come on. There you go. From the sides. Come on. From the back. Yeah. From this side as well. Come on. Everybody. That's it. All right, everybody, come on a little closer.
Dance,
Fill up the
guys.
area.
You dancing?
All right. Keep coming. All right, now that I have everybody's attention, I'd like to speak to you about Amway. Just kidding. All right, we need you to clap along with us like this. Come on.
Harvey, be careful with that.
All right, are you ready to twist with us? Yeah! I said, are you ready to twist with us? And are you ready to shout with us? Then 1, 2, 1, 2,
for British Invasion. This was their last show today, but they'll be back tomorrow with more memorable music.